Holiday seasons are here. If you are the woodworker or you are looking for stocking stuffers for your woodworker and they own a track saw, they're probably looking for a place to hang their tracks, and FastCap has a solution for you. They come with 2 in a pack, and you can mount your tracks either horizontally or vertically. If you mount them vertically, it comes with these clips in the package, and you just snap them right into the back. Now you have something for it to mount vertically. They come with screws for both garage doors and for going right into your wood studs. I'm gonna mount mine to the garage door. I took out my laser level. You probably can't see it, but that's what I'm using to mount them here. And I'm just gonna mark a little line right there and one at the bottom. I'm gonna do the same here in the middle. You can pre-drill, but the screws here are self-tapping, going right into the sheet metal. You're not gonna have a problem. I did see a video where somebody used these clips that are meant for the vertical mounting, so your track doesn't go into your garage rails by accident. And I'm gonna do the same. Just like that. There's a cam lock up here to lock your track in place and a lip for your track to sit in. Just like that, they're all up. These tracks work with all your major brands, your Makitas, your Festools, and even your PowerTechs. Just like that. So if you're looking for something to add to your garage so you can get your tracks off the floor, or if you're looking for that gift for that woodworker in your life, this is a cheap and easy one.